Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So, I just had a live session where I'm trading binary option where people basically can follow my trades. Today was not the best day. As you can see over there, not the best win rate. Some days it's like this, but at least we turn a profit. So that's the most important, okay? Now, before I continue and show you the trades and explain how we trade and all this good stuff, make sure you subscribe to my channel, okay? Turn on the bell notification so you never lose a live stream I'm doing, okay? So you can make some money together, okay? Also, make sure you sign up with this broker. You find a link below the video. You can just start with a demo account. It's included in the link that you can get a demo account. You don't get that with a normal link, by the way. For some reason, this broker don't give you a demo account. You need to pay to get a demo account. But for me, using my link, you get it for free. Okay. Second of all, you find when you choose to go in with real money, if you choose some, you find a promo code also below the video that give you 200% on your first deposit. So make it count. Okay. And lastly, make sure you join me in Discord. Every Saturday I trade live in Discord. You find the link below the video for that also. Now, as you got all that out of it, now let's get to what you have done today and how we are trading. So basically you can see I have a green line and I have a red line. I make it stupid simple for anyone to follow. So basically when this bar come up to this red line, basically just push down, have a closing on 30 seconds. And when you come down to this green line, you basically just push up. Okay, that's how we're trading. So for the trades, so it's you have good time and anyone can just ask me, I don't see the number on the red line. Then I repeat it till you get it. So it's because I always have the chat up so you can follow and everything is easy to follow. So every stress result I have, you can have also. Typically in a live session, I have between 7 and 8 wins for each 10 trades I do. Today, as you can see, it was not that good. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades, and we have 4 winners. We lost the first 2. I have a rule. If I lose 2 trades in a row, I go up to 200. After that, I just keep it 200 the rest of the live session. So because of that, today basically we want to go more or less in zero, but as I did go up to 200 here, we turned a little profit. We turned that basically, let me see, $184 profit. But as we have this 120 up here, we are getting more money because every time you trade, you get cash back, okay? So let's push this button now, and this will be added to a balance, you know. We just push here, then it's added to a balance. Then when I take added 120 today, we are $304 in profit. So that is the, even with 50% win rate, let's say I now have kept to my $100 trades the rest of the live session. Even with 50% win rate, I would have turned a profit thanks to the cashback. How cool is that? So make sure you sign up with this broker. I will trade live together with you tomorrow. Turn on the bell notification so you see that when I go live, you can follow me. I trade live every day, the same time. And when I will very soon now post my live stream for tomorrow, and then you get a timer that tell you exactly when I go live. And you can also push on notifications so you can follow, okay? So I hope I see you tomorrow. Let's trade and make some money together tomorrow. And yes, see you there.